Okay, so I've never done a video before, but this thing is so cool that I wanted to share it. I'm like, I don't know, a little kid in a candy store, if I don't know how to use my phone, so sorry about that. But the reason I love this thing is because, number one, it is so cool. It looks like a combination of like future meets 1950s. I just, I don't know why. I love the color, I love the shape, I love the design. As you can tell, it has really good suction cups. And another reason I love it is because, like, right now, I bought it. I've never bought one of these before, but I bought it because I started doing a lot of baking because so many of my friends are gluten-free. So, gluten-free flour, gluten-free oats. So I started making a bunch of like healthy treats. And this thing is so cool because I'm such a messy person. And it has this really neat seal on top. So I can make things, but it's also got a hole right here so that, I'm not gonna try that one, I'll make a mess with the flour. But like, I'm putting in the oats and I can put it in right there, start mixing. See, I still made a mess because I forgot to get a measuring cup out. But I can pour it all in there and then start it up. And this keeps it from going everywhere. And I'm such a mess that you cannot even understand how revolutionary this is for someone like me. Look how beautiful.
Okay, so here's everything. It's the mixer, the bowl, the cover. It's the opening to pour the ingredients. Got a whisk attachment, a beater, and a dough hook. This, it's hard to do one-handed, but this is where you push that. And it goes back. And you push it in. To close it, push it down. Plug it in. Different settings. This one you just and then the rest are all of the different speeds. All the way up to going up to 6, which is on high. It's really nice. It feels really well made. I like that it suctions to the cabinet so it's not going anywhere. But yeah, overall this thing is really great.